To prevent soil particles entering the bearing housing of the DOP submersible dredge pump, a mechanical seal is installed. This seal works without the need for grease or gland water. When the bearing oil is degrading or when your oil level is low, you probably have a leaking mechanical seal and it needs to be replaced.
Always consult the user manual before you start working on your DOP pump. When handling or working on a mechanical seal, it's very important that you make sure the tools, components and workplace are clean. Drain the oil from the bearing housing according to the video oil change and dismount the wear plate and impeller as explained in the video replacing the impeller. Flush the area around the mechanical seal with clean water. Remove the bolts and locking ring which keep the seal in place. For removing the seal, a special tool is delivered with your manual. Use this tool for extracting the mechanical seal. And then carefully remove the seal from the DOP pump. Clean all contact surfaces inside the DOP. Clean the new mechanical seal thoroughly before placement. Never remove the assembly clamps and make sure not to use compressed air when cleaning. Check all surfaces, fasteners and O-rings for damage and replace if necessary. Apply oil on the contact surfaces. And apply anti-seize compound to all screw threads. Gently place the mechanical seal without the O-rings in position and make sure the notches align with the cams on the locking ring. Then mark the correct position and remove the mechanical seal. Now you can add the O-rings on the mechanical seal and place the seal in the correct position by using the marks that you have just made. Replace the locking ring by tightening in a crosswise sequence. Mount the impeller and wear plate as explained in the video replacing the impeller. Fill the bearing casing with oil according to the video oil change. Most of the times a leaking mechanical seal can be refurbished by Damen, which then can be used again in your DOP pump.